Hey, it's your girl Kietha T, and we are to make monkey bread, y'all. Monkey bread. Here we go. I have 2 cans of cinnamon roll. We have some granulated sugar. We got some brown sugar. We got some cinnamon, and we have 1 stick of unsalted butter, room temperature. I have a bundt cake pan. And I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan with my cake. Go ahead and then I set only 1 cup of sugar. A Ziploc bag, and we're going to use that to pour our 1 cup of sugar into. And then we're going to put some cinnamon right into that bag. Gonna eyeball it. That looks good. Need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. That's good. Our oven is preheating to 350 degrees. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this over. Open up the first can, shall we? How can I open this? Oh, I hope this is the right stuff. Yes, baby, yes. Get that cream out. So we're going to take these and we are going to cut them into 4s. Cut them into 4s. Okay, so we're actually going to be dropping them into this mixture, the sugar and the cinnamon. Give it a toss. Alright. And we can just start putting those babies in. Okay guys, just keep cutting into 4s and get all of those pieces right into your Ziploc bag. Toss them in there. It's alright if they fall apart. We can make it work. Okay, let's cut it. Again, we're cutting into 4s. The second can. Y'all ever had monkey bread before? There we go. Again, we're cutting into fours. That's awfully thick. Okay, I'm using the Cinnabon brand. I mean, it is by Pillsbury. Sam's had this a little cheaper. It's more practical for me to purchase from Sam's. So these are slightly different from the way I saw Miss Donna make them. Shout out to you, Miss Donna. Get them into our bag. I should have had Mom over here helping me with this simple recipe. Just get them into the bag. They're ready. Zip and toss. Ooh, make sure your bag is closed. Oh. Okay, we're going to take a pot. Got 1 stick of butter, unsalted, room temperature. We're going to drop it right into the pot. So 1 stick of unsalted butter, we're melting, and we're just going to add that 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we're just going to combine. Yeah, I'm going to be careful. Y'all see it? The butter and the brown sugar, we're combining the two together. We're on a medium heat right now. So while that continues to blend together, we are going to take our bun pan that we've already sprayed with Pam, and I want you all to get a good view. I'm going to actually turn this down to a low heat. Okay. We're just going to take all of let me show y'all what they look like. we're just going to drop them into the bundt cake pan. Just want to spread them around. Spread them around, guys. Don't forget to stir your sugar and your butter. This is so many calories. Unbelievable. Trying to make sure I got all of the cinnamon rolls out. Now we're going to take this sugar, this mixture, and pour it right into our pot. And just blend it. Stir it up. Get it all well blended. We just blended we just added what we had in a Ziploc bag to our mixture, and we're just blending. And we're going to take this mixture in the pot and pour everything right over here, guys. Okay, y'all, I had to get my assistant. This right here. Just hold this camera. Hold it. That's your... Now come over here. Make sure you get just like that, okay?
Sure.
Getting it? Okay, and then I'm just going to spread it around a little bit, even it out. Everything covered in that butter and sugar. Alright, that looks good. Now, thanks so much. We're going to take that and put it into a 350-degree oven for, I don't know, about 20 minutes. We'll start off, but I'll let you know, okay? Okay, now we're going to drizzle that icing. Okay, here is our frosting. Let's try to flip it. Ooh, I hope it comes out okay. I feel like it's gonna come out. Uh-oh. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Oh, why does this always happen to me?
It's not like you can't eat it.
Oh. What in the world is happening? Look at it. It's falling apart. Good gracious. What is it wrong? It's not supposed to look like that. I sprayed it. Well, you know what?
What you spray it with?
We are just going to assemble. We're going to make it work. I don't know why it came out like this, but there's nothing I can do about it now at this point. It is what it is. Look at that. That is so... Oh, why does it look like this?
Oh, well, I can't help you on that.
You can't help me, Mom? Over here at Kietha T's kitchen, I'll tell you all that I keep it 100. Y'all, I don't know what happened to my monkey bread, but it just kind of totally fell apart, as Mama's saying. It fell apart. I don't know what happened. Why did this happen? The pan was greased. I sprayed it with Pam.
Yeah.
Look at my monkey bread.
Don't let it upset you.
It is. It's horrible. Look
I
at
know
this.
everybody did all their work to pay.
It's horrendous.
First of all, keep it up back, okay?
I'm just gonna drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle. I need to give this monkey bread a nickname. Monkey bread that crumbled? I don't know. But I'm just gonna do one because it's not. Well, it doesn't matter. Well, it does matter what it looks like. The thing is, yeah, I take that back. It does matter what it looks like. But it doesn't look horrible. It's just not standing up in the form of a bundt cake. But I'm gonna try it and we're gonna see what it's tasting like. Y'all see it? All right. So that's all that matters. Is it tastes good?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Mmm.
It tastes good.
Sweet though.
Real sweet?
You look good with a cup of coffee.
Okay.
All right, monkey bread. I'm not completely mad at you because the taste is there. The presentation not so much, but it's a good, y'all. It's good. It's a good, y'all. You hear me? It's a good, y'all. This right here is dangerous.